Debra and I are used to working together. Designing and renovating, we make a pretty good team.
We do, but not today. Today, we're going head to head.
Feast your eyes!
This is so easy!
IKEA has challenged us to design the ultimate dream kitchen. Same square footage, same rules, but completely different inspiration.
Oh dear. Oh, love it. I'm totally gonna win this.
Well, IKEA's got the goods, we've got the plan, but only one of us is gonna walk away the winner because this is the IKEA Kitchen Showroom Showdown.
You know, my favorite thing about IKEA is that the room settings aren't just product placement and displays. It's really about creating a space that you could visualize yourself in, spending time with friends and family. You're like, I love this. This layout is perfect. I'm taking it with me.
It's nice to see it because kitchens aren't just a place to cook. Obviously, it's the heart of the home.
Yeah.
And so you want to make smart decisions that are going to add value as a long-term investment. So I like to look at the layout first. I'm like, do I like this layout? Do I like the finishes? And if you get it right, you get all the quality parts in there, you get the organization, you get the return on your lifestyle and the return on your investment.
This kitchen is beautiful. I'm feeling inspired. Let's go check out some more displays.
Absolutely. I think I got some pretty good ideas. We have a message. It is our assignment. Scott and Debra, below is your competition criteria. You will be judged on 3 main components. Number 1, smart organization.
Okay.
I got that. Clever use of space with hidden storage, multi-use zones, and clutter-free design.
Wow, okay.
Number 2, functionality. A layout that works in real life, efficient flow, and smart solutions.
Oh, I have
Very
got that
practical.
one in the bag.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Overall design, materials, colors, and style that brings the whole kitchen to life. Debra, you will be designing a modern kitchen.
Yes!
Scott will be designing a traditional kitchen. Return on investment. Smart to
Expected.
say. Wow.
Boring.
Familiar.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So perfect.
Let the games begin. You have 24 hours to gather your inspiration before your design appointment. Good luck. Are you ready?
I am so ready. Are you ready?
I'm totally ready. On your marks, get set. Wait, is that another message? Go!
Oh my gosh! I'm thrilled about doing a modern kitchen. I really like to design modern kitchens, and I feel like they're very challenging, but there's so much opportunity to do something bold and different.
Yeah, you like to take a little bit of a risk with your kitchen design.
Absolutely. What about you, Mr.?
I don't like to take risks with my kitchen design. Something more traditional, tried, tested, and true.
Absolutely.
It's about functionality, it's about organization. I feel like I'm already winning in those 2 categories just with my theme.
Oh, please.
But when I think of a traditional kitchen, I think about how the space gets used and how it's organized. So for me, now it's time to put together the winning plan.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. You know, obviously being a designer, I have a little bit of an advantage, you know, in the design department of this competition. So if you need any advice at all, like, definitely don't ask me.
Well, let me just remind you that for 25 years, I have been buying and building IKEA kitchens, putting them in my income properties, putting them in my clients' homes. So I know these kitchens inside and out. This one's gonna be tough.
Yeah.
Mainly because I'm gonna challenge myself, not because of the competition. Next time on the IKEA Kitchen Showroom Showdown.
The IKEA Kitchen Planner is a free online tool that anyone can use.
Can we get some green in there?
What I can offer you is our installation service.
I love it. I'm totally gonna win this.